is Abhigial, and I'm going to show you how to make this really simple and really fun confetti popper or cannon. So the things you'll need to make this confetti cannon / popper, you'll need a roll of cardboard, and I'm using a paper towel roll. And then you'll also need like any color paint or paper, your choice. I like using paint because it works a little better. You also need a paintbrush, scissors, and confetti, of course. You also need a balloon. And so what you want to do is you want to start by taking your balloon. You want to cut the top off. What you can do is you can cut off just a little bit and then see if it fits on the cardboard tube. And if it does, then you don't have to cut anymore. But if it doesn't, you can just cut a little bit more at a time. Or you can just guess with it. It doesn't really matter much. And if you accidentally cut too much, you can actually just use a really small piece of tape, and that will also work really well. And now, since I'm using a paper towel roll, it's actually too long. So what I'm going to do is cut the paper towel roll in half. And then, well, I guess I can now make two. If you use like a toilet paper roll, I think that would actually be the perfect size. But if you don't want to use a toilet paper roll, or you don't have a empty one, it's completely fine. You can just use anything that you have. You can also make one, like you could just take some cardboard from like, I don't know, a cereal box, and you could just make it into a little tube. Anything works, anything that you have. And now what I'm going to do is slowly pull the balloon down onto the paper towel roll, or not paper towel, yeah, paper towel roll. And then you want to pull it down until there's no more like folds in the balloon, and it should be like kind of straight and flat at the top, like how it is kind of right now. But then on the sides, still kind of, folded just a little. So you just want to keep it going, and be careful, you don't want to accidentally rip the balloon. And now, what you can also do is, if you want, you can actually just put a little bit of confetti into your cannon, and you can just launch it. And if it launches, that means you don't need to pull it anymore. If it doesn't launch very well, you do need to pull some more so that there's more tension with the balloon. And well, since mine confetti shot out, I'm just gonna pull down the balloon just a bit to make sure that there's no extra folds. And then now I'm going to paint the rest of it green, and I'm going to paint a little bit of the balloon green too, just to make the line a little bit more straighter since it is kind of jagged. But like I said in the beginning, you can use paper if you want, or you could decorate a different way, or you don't actually have at all. You don't actually have to decorate it at all. And so you could actually do themed, like let's say you're doing like a birthday theme, or like a Christmas theme, or a Halloween theme. So you could do like red and green, or black and orange. And well, you can just use it to celebrate, to play. You can literally use this for anything. And well, once you finish decorating or not decorating, you're all done. You just let it dry if you're painting it, and you're done.